Welcoming the cupcake queen. She can cook cupcakes in a dash. She's the proest cupcake champion. Welcoming the pasta imposter. She's so good at making Italian pasta. I can't wait to taste it.
Hi, I'm the cupcake queen.
Hello, I am the pasta imposter.
Oh no, who will win? Who will be leaving these two doors? And who will be the champion? Well, let's see. So, right here, we are going to see who's going to be the champion. And I can't wait to see who's going to win $10,000. Let's get right into it. I have 2 hours to do this challenge. The theme is dinner, so make any course of dinner you can think of. I hope to enjoy it. One of you will win, one will lose, but there are 3 rounds. The timer starts now. Start cooking. So, cupcake champion, apparently you are. Are you being very good on your cooking?
Yes, I am. I'm a skilled baker, and I've been baking and cooking for 5 years.
Oh, wow, that looks delicious. I can't wait to eat it. So, impasta, how you doing?
Oh, I'm doing great. I already made my pasta, and I can't wait to get more food.
Oh, wow, it looks delicious.
Thank you.
I can't wait to eat it.
Yes, you can't wait. You can't wait.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up. Bakers, your challenge is over, and please proceed to me with your meals. First up, we have Cupcake Queen. That looks delicious. I'll take a big bite of one. Please place it down on the counter. Looks really good. This is actually the best hot dog I've ever had. Man, you are the hot dog champion. I don't know if anyone can beat this. Like, this is a good hot dog. I must admit. Delicious. Time to try this delicious water. It looks good, even though it's just plain water. But whatever. Geez, that's really fresh. Perfect amount of ice and everything. I might as well take another hot dog. Oh boy, I can't stop eating them. It's impossible to stop. I can't stop. We have the impasta. Boy, I love Italian pasta. But let's see what you got. Spaghetti and meatballs? That looks delicious. How hard was this to make?
Not hard at all. Since I really like pasta, I'm really good at it.
Oh boy, okay, can't wait to take a bite. This is really good. I have to admit. Geez, this is delicious. Slurping a noodle. Time to slurp up this delicious smoothie. Wow, this is really good. Slurp. I think I'm going to have more noodles.
Eat as many as you like.
Oh, okay. I'll eat a bunch. These are really good. I love the meatballs.
Good.
Bakers, you have 1 hour to bake an appetizer. On your marks, get set, cook! I hope you have the best things in the world. Your other courses were delicious. Hi, Cupcake Queen. That looks quite delicious. I can't wait to try it. Do you think I'll like it?
I think you'll really like it.
Okay, can't wait to enjoy it. So, the impasta, that looks really good. And I must say, looks like a delicious lunch or just mini appetizer. That apple looks fresh.
Thanks. This is more supposed to be for kids. A little yogurt and some grilled cheese and apple and water. Kids would love it.
Oh yeah, and I wish I were still a kid. Okay, bakers, you have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up. All your meals should be done. So, cupcake queen, what do you have for my appetizer today?
Well,
It looks delicious.
I have a fruit smoothie, a salad, and avocado toast.
I love avocado toast. It's so good. Can't you agree?
Yeah, it's really good. I love it.
Okay, let me try a bite real quick. That looks really good. Wow, this salad is really good. How did you make it?
Oh, it was very simple, but it's my secret ingredient.
Oh, okay. Let me try this beautiful smoothie. That was so refreshing. Okay, now for the avocado toast. That's really good. I've never had it. Well, I have at least 4 times, but it's still good. Hi, the impasta. What do you have for me today? It looks quite delicious.
Well, I have some grilled cheese, some yogurt, an apple, and some refreshing water.
I can't wait to try it. I'm in the mood for water right now, so this should be refreshing. Let me take a few bites. Geez, this is really good. I haven't had this in a while. But boy, I regret not having this in a while, because woo-wee, it's delicious. Even more, refreshing apples. Just what I'm in the mood for. How did you make this stuff so good?
Well, it was my mom's recipe, but she let me have it. So I hope I'll make a restaurant day and it'll be on the kids' menu.
Oh well, I hope it'll make everybody better. This is the last round of who will win the entire baking championship. Let's get right into it. So bakers, it's dessert round. You have 2 hours, 30 minutes to prepare a delicious dessert. I can't wait to try it. Okay, bakers. 3, 2, 1, bake! So, cupcake queen, it looks like you're making something very delicious and jiggly. Ooh, looks so good and sugary. Did you make it in a dash? 'Cause woo-wee, that was fast. You're a pro baker.
Yeah, it takes barely any second.
Geez, you're the best baker in town. You must be. Baking in about literally 5 seconds must be some kind of superpower, isn't it?
No, but I have my ways.
Well, okay. On to the impasta. So, impasta, looks like you're making something really good.
I'm making cookies. I need to watch the oven so I don't let them burn. They're also a chocolate milkshake to pair with the chocolate cookies. I think it'll go really well together.
I miss fresh-baked cookies. Oh boy, those childhood times. Well, hopefully they'll be good this time. All melty and sweet and sugary, chocolatey. So good.
Yep, don't worry. It'll be exactly what you said.
So, bakers, you have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up. I hope your meals are all done and prepared. I cannot wait to enjoy them. So, Impasta, looks like your meal might be the win, or will it not? Maybe it won't stand a chance against the cupcake queen, or maybe it will. But let's see how flavorful it is. Let me take a bite.
There you go.
Wow, this is actually really good. How did you make this delicious milkshake?
Well, I just added some chocolate and everything normal, except I added a little more chocolate than I should to make it extra chocolatey.
I love a chocolate meal. Just a bit, a teensy bit, just too much chocolate, but it's delicious. Let me try these delicious baked warm cookies. Wow, these are good. I haven't had something this good in my life. These are delicious. Oh, cupcake queen. That looks really good. I haven't had Jell-O in a while. And that milkshake. Ooh, I can't wait to try that. Let's start with the Jell-O. All jiggly Jell-O, I love it. Let's take a bite. This is really good. How the heck did you make this stuff?
Well, I added a very secret ingredient, and it's very simple but delicious.
Very secret? That must mean it was really delicious and better than normal Jell-O, because this is the best Jell-O I personally have ever had. Let's move on to your delicious milkshake. So good. That cherry was really refreshing. Who will win this round? I don't know if I can even decide. So, bakers, looks like this is almost a tie, but one of you will win. Cupcake Queen, please say what you baked for the first meal.
First, I made hot dogs with a side of water.
Okay. Impasta, what did you cook for the first meal?
Spaghetti and meatballs with a side of fruit smoothie.
Ooh, that sounds delicious. Now, Cupcake Queen, what did you cook for the second round?
I made avocado toast with salad.
Okay, that was really good. Now, Impasta, what did you cook for the second round?
Grilled cheese with some yogurt, apple, and water.
That was delicious. Now the final round. Cupcake Queen, what did you cook?
I made Jell-O with my secret recipe with a side of chocolate milkshake.
I must admit, that was so good. And it was really delicious and sugary, just the perfect little jiggly snack. Now, Impasta, what did you cook for the last and final round of dessert?
Some warm, gooey chocolate chip cookies with a drink of chocolate milkshake.
Oh yeah, that was a lot of chocolate. It was really good. So, for the first round, Cupcake Queen, your score was 8.5. Impasta, for the first round, your score was 9. Cupcake Queen, for the second round, your score was a 9.5. Impasta, your score was about 8.5. Now for the final round. Cupcake Queen, your score was 8. Impasta, your score was done. 8. So, bakers, it looks like there's a tie of 26 points in all each. We're going to have a tiebreaker. So, I'm going to randomly spin around. You guys have to stay in a random place, and whoever I end up being closest to gets to win. The loser has to leave these 2 doors. Let's get this started and see who will win $10,000. I'm about to land, and the winner of $10,000 is...
I know what you fantasize about. California grown rap songs. You see the best comes out the west. Let me blur your lines, you won't regret it. I'll take you to the moon and back, backseat of my Cadillac. Start out slow, then play it faster.
It looks like the impasta is the winner of $10,000. What do you have to say about that?
I'm happy, 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 I'm happy. Okay, I'm done.
Oh, wow, okay. So I'm going to give you $10,000. Sorry, cupcake queen, but it looks like you have to go through the doors. Bye. I hope you enjoyed it.